National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Tishomingo County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Prentiss County in northeastern Mississippi, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Manatee, or near Fulton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fulton, Red Bay, Belmont, Manatee, Sandy Springs, Fairview, Golden, Eastman, Dennis, Moores Mill, Bloody Springs, Ballardsville, Bounds Crossroads, and Dorsey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Itawamba, Prentiss, and Tishomingo.